What if I told you that you could undo a purchase you made last week and get that cash back into your balance instantly? Cash App has officially dropped a game changer. While most apps make you borrow money before you spend it, Cash App's new Afterpay integration lets you retroactively switch your past purchases to pay over time. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to get instant funds back into your account using the Afterpay switch feature, so you can decide if this no credit loophole is the right move for your current budget. If you're ready, click the subscribe button and let's get started. First, let's talk about the magic of the switch. Most of us have been there. You spend $100 on groceries or utility bill on Friday, and by Monday, an unexpected expense pops up and you're short. In the past, you were just stuck. But now, if you use your Cash App card for that purchase, you can effectively hit an undo button. Cash App will deposit the full amount of that past purchase back into your balance, and in exchange, you just agree to pay it back in smaller installments over the next 6 weeks. The best part? There is no credit check and no traditional loan application. To see this feature in your app, there are a few financial health markers you need to hit. The Visa Debit Flex Card. Cash App has rolled out the Visa Debit Flex Card. Most users who have upgraded to this card see the Afterpay features immediately. The 7-day window. You can only switch purchases that were made within the last 7 days. If the transaction is older than a week, it's ineligible. The $25 minimum. The purchase must be at least $25 to qualify for the pay over time option. Usage history. While there's no credit check, Cash App's AI looks at your account activity. Having a consistent direct deposit of $1,000 or more is the sweet spot to unlock higher Afterpay limits. So, how much does this cost? Cash App is very transparent here. Instead of charging a monthly interest that compounds, they charge a flat 7.5% finance fee. For example, if you get $100 back from a grocery trip, your total repayment will be $107.50. You'll typically pay this back in 4 equal installments every 2 weeks. Here is a pro tip. Cash App often allows you to skip the first 2 bi-weekly payments and just pay one lump sum at the end of the 42-day cycle. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.